Who's the king of the snow? Jeffy. Hey, Daddy. Yeah? I'm gonna go over there. Okay, Jeffy, just be safe and don't die. Okay. Jeffy. Jeffy. Whatever you do, Jeffy. Don't die. Yeah, Dad? Jeffy. I know. Be safe. It's getting a lot deeper, Daddy. It's getting a lot deeper, Daddy. Yeah, Jeffy, I know what the snow is. Jeffy, how are you not cold yet? I don't know. I don't know how deep it is. Ow! Daddy. I think I'm knocked out, Daddy. Jeffy, I think I have hypothermia. Go sit down. You say hypothermia. Probably because I have the big snow on my head. That's like weighs a lot. Daddy, Jeffy, are you mentally okay? No, Daddy, I think I'm sick or something. I don't think I'll be able to survive after this. Jeffy out. Jeffy. Jeffy out. God, I can't believe what happened to Jeffy. He made a trail in the snow. Yeah, Phoebe. I think he's seriously knocked out. Yeah. Phoebe, what do you do? I'm gonna go over there. Don't fall, Phoebe. Ooh, Phoebe. Well, I fell. Baby. Baby, don't you do. Baby. What? Yeah? Phoebe. What? I'm playing in the snow. No, Phoebe. Hey, Phoebe. I'm okay. Don't worry. Okay, I should probably do that. Yeah, Phoebe, you should probably get up before. The snow's really deep. The snow's really deep. Like, and I know it looks very small, but it's actually a lot. Phoebe, I can't see over my left eye. You can't see out of your left eye, Phoebe, really? Yeah. Phoebe, you and Jeffy. I promise I won't. Let's see the grass. But that snow, very deep. Oh. Broken guy. Yeah. Are you mentally okay? Yeah, I am. Phoebe, I'm gonna go check out the hill. You sure? Snow. My face is cold. You should probably go to a doctor. Yeah. Okay, get out of it. Shut Phoebe! Shut Phoebe! I dug you up. Shut Phoebe, go right now before I arrest you. You never catch me alive! Ow! Oh my god. I'm about to get away. I don't feel so good. I don't feel so good. Ah, my fort's ruined. I had a fort. Come here, fort. I don't care about my fort, Mario. I put this fort right here. And then some people had to ruin it. Broken guy, it's not gonna always be snow here. I don't want to hear stupid rules, Mario. Okay, there are some people that actually want to play in the snow. Have fun, Mario. I know it looks very shallow, but it's not. I'll show you. See, I don't have legs, right? So, the snow is up here. Because I have no legs. So, I am forced to go under the snow. So, I can... Yeah. And I'll show you a demonstration. Follow me, kids. Alright. So, for all you... Broken guy... I don't think you... No, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show you. Oh. Alright. So, I'm an adult. And I'm not gonna fall. Even though it's very deep snow. And very, very dangerous. I'm not gonna... Alright, I'm gonna show you now. Alright. Sun's out, but it's so cold. And then, my phone. Gotta be careful. Broken guy, are you mentally okay? No. I am the broken guy king. I am the broken guy king. Whoa, my God. Whoa. Oh, my God. Oh, my. Oh, God. Hi. I'm the... Hey, you dog. Harley, you. I'm the Ice King. Hey, you. I'm gonna go check out that big hill over there. Broken guy, you're okay. I'm the Snow King. Oh. Broken guy, you okay? Oh, yeah. Alright, the snow's deep, so... Yeah, I fell. Alright, everybody there. Yeah, are you ready to see the... Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna play the snow. You're not gonna see anything? No, Marvin. If you want to, you can do it. I want to do snow angels. Snow angels. Yeah, I'm a girl. Oh my God, it's very deep. Snowman has arrived. What? Baby, go. Victory Royale is mine. I'm going to new wife. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. Bowser, you're gonna play the show. Oh yeah, more wrong play the show. Bowser! Oh, I did it. Well, I'm gonna show you in the snow day. You can basically do this. You can show your face in the snow or that. I'm gonna show you that hill. So, come as we show the Mario adventures. I'm running in the deep snow and I fall. Felt on right now. So after that, after falling a couple times, I jump out. Hey, top of that thing. Hopefully it's safe. I'm at the top. Victory! But I should probably not stand on it, right? If I stand on it, I might not come back. I'm standing on it! Woo! Wow! You can see the entire snow. Wow. Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright, I'm just gonna get down nice and easy. There's ice. Lay down nice and oh. As you can see, I slid down by the slide marks. We'll show you that. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna walk in. Oh, my back. There's ice. I hit the ice up. Damn you, ice! There's basically snow everywhere else. Alright, you snow. Get up. Get up. You're in front of the camera. Ready? You know what? You don't think of this ball? I'm just gonna walk in. Hopefully there's no ice. Hopefully there's no ice. Ah! Ah! See, Poppy. Hey, you hear that? Oh my god! Why are you tripping in snow? I heard a floor of snow. Alright, anyway, guys, wasting time. We gotta be careful with ice because there's probably ice. This is the snow piece over here, and then there's the one over there, and there's one under it from last time, but it's probably buried. This could be ice. That's definitely ice. Actually, here it is. So, time to climb up on it. Hopefully, it's not like the very light. It is the lights, you know. Careful me. Can't die. That's the most ice. I'm on the mountain of snow. Be me. I'm Marvin. And I'm the first person. Abacus not the first person. That can actually hold my weight. That's the tallest part right there. We're going to go there in a minute. I'm going to try and walk on this to get there. If I go under snow, it means I'm dead. And I'm trying to walk on the snow. I'm trying to walk on the snow very neatly. As you see. Walking along the Christmas tree. And there's a lot of snow right here. I basically climb all above it. Because it's fun. Fun for my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you're not though. As you can see, there's no shovel driveways. Sidewalks. Now you gotta jump and oh my, we made it. We actually made it. All right. This will probably take a lot more time to melt. There's the tallest part of the entire mountain of snow. Oh my god. Alright. So, After all this part, this is tossed. And after a monitor, we're gonna get a size comparison. Well, compared to Marvin or me, myself, Jeffrey. And yeah, so here's the tallest part. I'm gonna lift my foot up. Alright. See how far we are? Victory! This is the tallest mountain point right here. Yeah, here's all the ice. Alright, now here comes the hardest part. It's to get down. Wait a minute. Get to here. Actually, it's pretty big. So here's up top. Yeah. Here's up top. There's the bottom. Now, we're gonna go down here and actually